Prejudice.
Go slow.
You guys, we're just trying to make it. This is really, really like fun to drive with the snow like this. I couldn't even make it. I wouldn't make it. We're trying to get this car so it's not, the car is not stuck there. So you know, we're just like very, very, very careful and slow. There you go, guys. We cannot stop because when we stop, we cannot do driving. So we got to just keep continue going, going, going. So this snow is really bad in here. It's not really bad in the street now because it's clear. But like on the side, like in our, as I said, in our street, like that's what is the hard part. Most especially where I live, it's just like we have like a, you know, a hill, so it's hard. Either we cannot go up, so we'll be trying so hard. So the only way we can get out is going down. So we got the hills or up. So that's the bad thing on this. Thank God. Thanks to Farm, I don't know, we made it. We're going down, so we're learning to drive right now. You can see it's like a ghost town. Ain't nobody driving in the street at all. You can just see like a few people. And then head to the flounder truck and put some sort of clear the road on the ice. Yeah, so we just be careful, guys. While I'm driving, actually the street is like 35 miles, so I'm driving like 15 miles per hour. So just extra careful, guys, if you guys want to drive somewhere, if you really, really, really need to do something. So, but the reason I drive, guys, because I really need something. We really need something to pick up, because we don't have nothing at home. So, we'll pick up some stuff. So, but if you guys don't need it, please, I recommend you to guys just stay home for today. So, but we're not driving that far, so we're just like driving like really close, guys. So that's not that bad. So I don't know if we can ever like go down over there where we're going. So hopefully we do, because that one is like a hill also on there too. So I don't know, maybe we're just gonna leave our car down in the top of the hills and then we walk out there.
For real.
Yes, because I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go up already right away out there too. So yeah, so here you go, guys. Here's the light. Yeah, so as I said, guys, I guess we're just gonna keep going, because once we're stopping, we can't, like, it's hard to get it because the ice is like, the wheels of the car is just keep spinning, and it's not going nowhere. It just get buried in the tire in the snow, guys. So we are trying. Here we go. We're the first driving on the crazy. So we're the one that driving in the road. So
You're crazy.
I'm a crazy Filipina that I'm the only one attempt to drive. I try my best, guys. Like this morning, I drive the rail. The door would not open. My door on my car is not opening.